Hi guys, Todd here with TW Home Show, and I just got an email today, just tonight, on April 23rd. I was expecting my new Galaxy Fold to ship tomorrow on April 24th to arrive by the 25th or 26th of April, and now I just got this email, devastating email from At&t. I'll show it to you up here on the screen. It says, "Hi Todd, had to change your ship date." And previous ship date was April 24th, which was going to be tomorrow. New ship date is June 13th, 2019. Now I gotta wait till June 13th to get my new Galaxy Fold, so I'm still stuck with my Galaxy S8, and it's got a little chip up here in the top corner. I was really looking forward to the Galaxy Fold, and I didn't mention this to you guys before, but I was creating reviews and making notes on what I wanted to create reviews on about the Galaxy Fold when I got it. Mainly gaming, if I take it on a trip, on an airplane or something like that, how I have a tablet that would unfold, something like that, to have a more expansive screen to do things on, to entertain me while I was on a trip or whatever. You know, say I go out to my back porch on the weekends and stuff. I do that a lot in the morning times, and if I don't grab my tablet, I'm stuck with my S8 little phone screen. I would like to reach down, pull this out, and say, oh well, I got a tablet right here, and just fold that right out on my back porch or whatever in the mornings or whatever, and just scroll through my emails, my YouTube videos, stuff like that. So guys, I'm kind of disappointed, but we'll see what happens. It says that the new ship date is June 13th, so that's my target point now, and it's probably going to be the new target point for any of you guys looking for your new Galaxy Fold coming to you soon. Another couple months, guys. Hang on there. We'll get it, the Galaxy Fold. I'm sure it's going to be a really improved device. Maybe they'll put improved warnings when you open it up, when you originally get it, and you peel off that display, and it's going to say, don't peel off the, don't peel off the protective display. It might look like a protective display, but it's not. It's part of the screen or whatever. Don't press it up to clay or whatever to show it off in your YouTube videos. I'm not going to do none of that, guys. I respect this new device, and I want to show it to you guys, so stay tuned. I hope to show it to you soon in June. I'll see you guys on the next video.